The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make some fried scallops, fried oysters in the skillet. I'm waiting for the oil to heat up. All I do is get the frozen oysters, the Pacific Coast ones. I'm from Massachusetts. I live on the East Coast in North Carolina now, but so these are available in Walmarts and the Food Lions we have down here, and they're really good. They're just big. You got to cut them, and they work out just fine. These are regular scallops I bought frozen again at Food Lion, and they're soaking in milk, no seasoning. Well, a little salt. But I put in my flour literally a pinch of paprika, some seasoned pepper, and salt and pepper because I'm going to have it with tartar sauce. And Massachusetts, we have tartar sauce. They have it down here too, but you got to ask for it. My husband makes his own pepper relish, and maybe he'll do a video on that. He's got his own channel. But we use his pepper relish, and we use mayo, and we make a quick tartar sauce because we love that. And so I'm going to just show you quickly what I'm doing, and I'm going to fry these up for an appetizer, and then it's Sunday afternoon here, and I'm going to go up and enjoy them before I have dinner. And all I'm doing is making leftovers, so it's not much to talk about there. But anyway, here we go. Just watch what I do and you'll see. All right, so I'm going to start with the oysters. Get them ready. Can't cut these in half, which I think I will with this one. Pretty big. You know, this is the closest thing we get to fried clams down here. Again, from Massachusetts. Love fried clams. So expensive now. I always joke that you got to take out a loan to buy them. And of course, there's no lobster down here. You can get lobster tails frozen, and that takes a different kind of cooking. You bake it in the oven. My husband did that. They came out really good. But I do miss that. I may go back up there in the fall, but we'll see. I miss skiing, but I have a total knee replacement, so I don't do much of that anymore. And there is skiing out here. It's not like the mountains, the White Mountains in New Hampshire. They have a little mountain. I think it's called Sugar Mountain. And that's out in western North Carolina. And they ski on that. They don't get the snow we get, but up in New Hampshire. But skiing, as long as you're having fun. Get you outside in the winter. So these are the oysters, and I'll plop them in little pieces. And then I'll do the scallops. This is going to take a little longer. And I want to make sure I dust off as much of the flour as possible. So here we go. I'm going to put the oysters in first. Kind of squishy. I need this fork. Get the dust, the flour off. There we go. Gently put them in. This is a cast iron pan I got my husband. It's really good. And that, I don't want to get hit with that moisture in there. Woo. Don't put too many in at once, and turn down the heat a little. It's really hot. Get those out of there as soon as possible. Need a paper plate. Don't want to cook them too much. There we go. Take those out. Wow, that's hot. Woo, those look good. Alright, these are going to be fast. There we go. A little bit of oil on there, but that's what they look like. Drain that oil off. See that? They look really good. Okay, gonna do the next one. I'll just let you watch me put these in. Nice little one. Little pieces. A lot of time, keep an eye on. The last of them. All right, take those out in a second. Let's go. It's gonna take a little longer. Clean up the pan. And get those out of there. Get out the flecks of flour. Burn. All right, here come the scallops. These are gonna be something else. Okay, that's huge. I think I'll do these one at a time. So here come the scallops. One at a time. And I'll let you watch. Keep an eye on those. Look at the big one. I would say this thing probably took just a minute. Looks good though. Right, let's get another one. Flour on it. And in it goes. I could double dip it, but I think that'd be too thick of a crust. Oysters look good. See that? Okay, so here they are. I didn't make a bunch because I got some oysters to go with them. And I learned a couple things. There's the oysters and there's the scallops. What I learned was the scallops, you got to double flour. They just come out better looking. And the oysters only need one because then it's too much. You get small pieces, but where these are so big, you need a good crust. So anyway, I hope you like it. I'm not going to bite into them, they're too hot. I'm going to serve them with tartar sauce, and this is me frying out here in my temporary kitchen, and boy, I'm glad I'm out here because it's a greasy mess from the vegetable oil. So I'm going to wipe this down, let that oil sit there and cool off. I'm going to throw that oil away because it's all got flour in it now. I'm not going to reuse it. There's only like 2 cups in there, so I'm not wasting, and it is the second time I used it. I did the dessert first, the egg roll, which you can see a video on my channel on that. But anyway, thanks for watching, and try this stuff. You know, it's really good to fry. Just remember, it's kind of messy, but you have it once in a while. It's vegetable oil, and I think it's okay. I like it. All right, so have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching.